In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can create free online courses that you can sell on different platforms and make money online. So see you soon on the other side.
Welcome to rock a world where vision comes alive. With design and coordination, we help you thrive. Beautiful events, crafted with care. Join us on the journey, we'll take you there. Subscribe today, don't miss a beat. Book a world events, watch your dreams grow.
By the way, guys, we offer event planning and design services. So you can check out our website, www.rockaworld.com, for more information. This age of social media, everything is advancing really fast. So this is the perfect time for you to share what you know with the world, and then you make money from it. All this can be done through online education, whereby you're going to create a course literally about anything you know, and then you sell it on different online platforms that are going to allow you to reach a worldwide audience. So this means with this business model, you're going to be able to do it anywhere in the world. Okay, so it doesn't matter if you're in Africa, USA, India, anywhere you are. Okay, you'll be able to make money through this online hustle. Now I'm going to take you step by step through the whole process, and obviously we are going to take advantage of AI, and the first tool we are going to be using is ChatGPT. So if you already have your outline, your notes, or your research ready, you can use that. But right now we are going to build from scratch, and I want to get ideas. I want to know what is selling right now, what are the best courses that people are looking for, all of those things. So like you can see, I've already entered my prompt, and let's briefly go through it. Okay, but I've also shared it with you guys in the description down below if you'd like to try it out. Okay, so it says, I want to sell digital educational products online and need your help identifying the top most searched online courses and educational resource niches on Google. My goal is to list these products on platforms like Teachable and optimize them for Google search rankings to generate organic revenue. Please focus on trending topics and in-demand skills that have high search volume and profit potential. So let's click on the generate button and we'll wait for the results. So here are the results that they've generated for us. And like you can see, there is data science and analytics, artificial intelligence and machine learning, web development and programming, digital marketing and SEO, different topics. So you just have to go through them and choose a particular one that you want to work with. So I'm just going to choose a random one for today's video. I think we should go with option 4, digital marketing and SEO. So I'm just going to give it a new prompt that says, I like idea number 4. Give me a course outline to use in Gamma.app about the subject. So you can also turn on this reason button over here that allows this tool to think before it responds to you. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on this generate button to see what results we are going to get this time. So here are the results that it has generated for us. I'm just going to copy this and then I'm going to paste it in our next tool, like you're going to see. Okay, the next tool we are going to be using is Gamma.app, and I've shared a link with you guys in the description down below so that you can try it out for free. So once you're done signing up, it's going to bring you to this page, and all you have to do is to click on the create new AI button over here, just like this. Like you can see, there is 3 different options that you can choose from, but since we already have an outline ready, we are going to be using the first option, the paste in text. So if you choose to use this particular one, the AI will build everything for you. All you have to do is to put a simple prompt and the AI is going to build from that prompt. Okay, but for today's video, like I said, we are going to focus on this particular one. So I'm just going to click on this button over here where it says continue, and then it's going to bring us to a new page, and I'm going to show you what we are going to be doing next. Like you can see on this new page, it says type or paste in content here. So I'm just going to paste our outline over here. Okay, just like this, and like you can see, everything is included. So we are going to work with the option of presentation. Okay, so I'm just going to scroll down and then I'm going to click on continue. So it's going to bring us to this page over here. And if you're finding difficult in coming to this page from the previous one, you can reduce on the content that you've input and then just give a brief prompt that describes the course you want to generate. Then you'll manually input these details on this next page. Okay, so let's go ahead and go through these other details. For example, the first one is text content, and down here, like you can see, this option of generate allows you to fill in your outline with added details. Then this one helps you to shorten content to be concise and presentable. Then the last one helps you reformat while keeping your original content. So I think we should stick with the generate. Then down here, you can choose what kind of individuals this course is for. Like you can see over here, professionals seeking to develop digital marketing and SEO skills. Then down here, you can choose the tone for your course. So it's educational, engaging, and practical. Then you can choose the language down here if you want to add specific images from your computer or with AI. You're going to click on that option over there. So let me scroll down so that we can view more options. So like you can see, there is various options that you can choose from. Okay, so you'll just have to go through them carefully and see which one suits you the best. And down here, you can also go ahead to describe the color, style, or mode to use for your image style. Then down here, there is AI image model, and I'm going to leave that as it is. Then down here for the format, I'm going to stick with presentation. Okay, so down here, there is options of increasing or reducing on your cards. So you're going to take cards as pages. Okay, so if you click on add, it's going to add on the number of cards you're going to have, and if you click on minus, it's going to go back to the previous, or reduce on the number of cards you have. So down here there is, sorry, up here there is an option of freeform. So let's go with this option. You can choose any of this. This is precise, and then this is fast. So let's go with the freeform and we see what results we are going to get. So on this next step, we need to choose a theme for our course. So like you can see on the right side, there is different themes that you can go through and choose a particular one. So the AI itself chose this one. I think it's good. We can use that. But if you want to change it to a particular one, you can always come over here and select the one you want to use. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this one, okay, that it's selected for us. So I'm just going to click on the generate button and then wait for the results to be generated. Our course is now ready, and this is what it looks like. Like you can see, it has gone ahead to describe everything really well. It added images where needed, describing everything really well to detail. So this is really a good tool. Like you can see over here, it added a pie chart. This looks good so far. Guys, what do you think? I personally think that we've done a great job, guys. All of this can be edited, and let me show you how. Let's begin with these upper buttons over here. Like you can see, this first one is going to allow you to duplicate your card. It's going to allow you to copy the card link, okay? Export your card. So the card is like a page, like I told you guys. So this is a card, okay? This entire thing over here. So that's giving you access to do those edits to this particular card, the first one only. So also there is an option of card styling. Like you can see, there is different colors. For example, if you want to change the card color, you can just click over there, and like you can see, it automatically changes to a different color. There is more options down here, for example, full bleed card, and once you turn on this button, like you can see, it automatically becomes wider. So yeah, there is content alignment if you want it at the top, in the center, or at the bottom, okay, just like you can see. So there is also card width, so you can choose the size you want. So like you can see, once you press on medium, it becomes a bit smaller, okay. There is also an option of changing your backdrop, like you can see. So all you have to do is to click on add over here, and it's going to bring you this option over here. Like you can see, you can easily generate with AI. So all you have to do is to input a prompt that matches your content, and then all you have to do is to click on the generate button over here, and that way you'll be able to change your backdrop. Okay, so let's go back and we see how other tools function over here. So down here, if you click on these three buttons over here, there's three dots like this. You can see it's going to open that heading section Okay, like you can see, it gives you access to change the font color, to make the font bold, to change to different fonts. Now this is the italic font. You can underline your content. Like you can see, there is different options. All you have to do is to go through them. Also, if you want to change for example, the title, or you want to edit anything, all you have to do is to delete on your PC and you'll easily make the edits. The same goes for the content. All you have to do is to click on these three buttons over here, then you'll be able to edit the text itself. Okay, so when it comes to the image, all you have to do is to click on the image, then it's going to bring you these different options over here, like you can see. So I think the most important one is this one that says edit with AI. So once you click on it, you're going to see that they bring you space where you can input a prompt that describes content that aligns with your uh, course, and then after that you're just going to click on the generate button. Let's try this particular one out and we see what results we are going to get. So the prompt says professional workspace with a digital marketing plan displayed on a large screen surrounded by team members collaborating, warm and focused lighting. So I think this is a description for this image, but we can use that to see if we can get different results. Also, if you have your own prompt, you can easily input the prompt. You can use different tools, for example, like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, to come up with image prompts. Okay, so let's click on generate and we see what results we are going to get. Here are the different results that they've generated for us. Like you can see, they gave us three images to pick from. There is this one, there is this, and then there is this. So I think the first one looks better. So if you like the results, all you're going to do is to go ahead and click on the download button. Then after that, you're going to upload the image to the part of the course that you want. Okay, when we move to the right side, you can see that there is more buttons over here. So like you can see, once you click on this, you're going to see different card templates that you can use, okay, for your course. Then down here there is basic blocks. Okay, so you're just going to go through these different buttons and you see how they work. So there is smart layouts. Okay, so there is also images, and this allows you to upload images from your PC, web images. Like you can see different options over here. So you're going to go ahead and upload your images using that technique as well. You can also add videos, like you can see, to your work. Then there is embedded apps. You can also click on this option over here, like you can see. There is charts and diagrams, okay, that you can add to your content. And lastly, there is forms and buttons. So all you have to do is to give yourself time and go through these different options. Then whichever you want to use, you'll be able to use it to your document. The last thing that I want to show you guys over here, like you can see, if you want to go to the next page without scrolling through, all you have to do is to click on this button like this, and like you can see, it automatically takes you to the next card. Okay, so this is the easiest way to do it. Okay, now that we are ready, let's go ahead and download our work. But before we do that, just in case you'd like to present your course, you can easily click on this present button over here, and it's going to give you access, to be able to present your work. But that's not what I want to do today. So let's go ahead and download our course. So I encourage you guys to watch this video till the end, because I'm going to share with you guys how you can add free cards to your course for free. Okay, as many as you want. Okay, then I'm going to show you how you can add a voiceover, okay, to your course. And then I'm also going to show you how you can build your personal website and sell your courses over there still for free. Okay, so if you're interested in all of those things, you need to watch this video till the end, like I told you guys. By the way, if you're already finding value in this video, I kindly request you to support the channel by liking this video, subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below, and I'll be able to answer them as soon as I can. Okay, thank you so much, and let's proceed. So you're going to click on these three buttons over here. Okay, then you're going to choose the export option. So we are going to export it as a PowerPoint. So click on this option and that way it's going to download onto your device. So let's head over to the next tool and I'm going to show you how we are going to do everything. The next tool we are going to be using is Canva. Okay, so you're going to choose the presentation option. If you cannot find it over here on your dashboard, you'll come up here and then you're going to type in presentation. That way you'll be able to access it. So we are going to click on presentation and then they're going to bring us a new canvas that we are going to be working with, like you're going to see. Our canvas is now ready. So what you're going to do is to go to uploads over here. Then this is going to give you access to upload our PowerPoint that we just downloaded from Gamma.app. Okay, like you can see, mine is already here. I already uploaded it and it's under project. So all I'm going to do is to click on it just like this. So once you click on it, it gives you two options. There is embed design and then apply all the pages you included. Okay, so it says apply all 8 pages. Now I'm going to click on this option because I want all the pages to be applied. Okay, so let's click on that. And like you can see, they are all automatically going to be added to our project. So you're going to have more editing tools in Canva that can help you to customize your course even more. For example, if you click on the text over here, you'll see that it will open this bar that allows you to change, for example, the background color. You can change the different things, like you can see different font styles that you can use over here. You can increase and reduce on the font size. You can change the font color to any specific color that you want. Okay, like you can see, there is just so many tools over here that are going to help you edit your content. Okay, so you can also do the same thing for the images. Once you click over here, you'll see that you have access to delete or replace the images with new images, either from your PC, or you can go ahead to Elements and then search for specific images that you'd like to use in your work. Okay, so you can also change these details over here. Okay, because this is directly got from the email you signed up with on Gamma.app. And also, since we used a free plan, we are going to be having the Gamma logo, like you can see. So you can easily delete this in Canva, just like that. All you have to do is to find all the pages with the logo and you're going to go ahead to delete it. When you're generating that course with Gamma, there is limits to the number of cards you're going to use or the number of pages you're going to use for your document if you're using the free plan. So this is why I love using Canva, because in Canva, we are easily going to duplicate these pages. For example, let's say we want to add a third card between these two pages. All you have to do is to click on the card, the first card over here, and you're just going to click on duplicate page. Like you can see, it's going to put another card between these two cards, and all you have to do is to edit it. So you have two of these. There is this one, the first one, and then there is also this. Okay, so all you have to do is to duplicate this one. So you will do that for your entire document. Whenever you want to add a new page, all you have to do is to duplicate the page you already have, and then you can easily edit it. Okay, so if you want to use the one with images, you can simply find the card that already has a space for images. You duplicate that. Okay, then all you're going to do is to go to Elements, find the images that you want to use. Let me try to get something and I show you an example. So I searched for digital marketing, and like you can see, when you search for anything on Canva and the Elements, they give you different options. Like you can see over here, they give you graphics, photos, and videos. So any you want. You can also just take a video and you drag and drop it over here. Okay, it replaces the image. So whatever you want to add on your course, is you're going to be able to add it on there. Okay, so let's go ahead and find a random image that might suit our work really well. Let me go with let's say this one. So you're just going to drag and drop it over there, like you can see. So it easily replaces this page. Now that we have everything ready, let's move on to our next step, which is going to be adding a voiceover to our presentation. So you're going to click on this button that says present. You're going to see that there is different options. There is present full screen, presenter view, present and record, autoplay. So if you want to add yourself, with your voice explaining this presentation or this course, you're going to go ahead to click on present and record. And like you can see, you're going to be able to choose two options. Once you click on the next button, you can either choose to have your face shown on the screen, and it will be in this small space over here, like you can see this avatar. Okay, or you can choose to just record the screen and then your voice will be in the background, just like what I'm doing right now. Okay, so also if you're not someone comfortable with showing your face on the camera, I'm going to show you how you can do it. And also you can use this second technique with just AI. Okay, so let's go ahead and I show you what you're going to be doing in that case. So we are going to head over to ChatGPT. Under the same chat, we generated the course outline from. Okay, so you're going to input a new prompt that says like this: I want you to add a step-by-step classroom style detailed voiceover explaining my course. This is the final course result in its correct order. So you're going to go back to Gamma and then you're going to copy everything. Okay, just like this. Okay, just going to copy everything. Just make sure you highlight everything, just like this. Okay, everything. Then you're going to click on copy. You'll go back to ChatGPT and then you're going to paste it over here. Okay, just like this. So I want to add the word style. I missed it over here, so I'm just going to include it just like that. Then I'm going to click on generate. So ChatGPT is going to bring us results with a voiceover script, but make sure you go through these really well to make sure it aligns with the details you already have. Okay, make sure that everything makes sense from the images, from the course outline we have in Gamma and the new voiceover they're going to generate for us in ChatGPT. Okay, so let's wait for that, and then I'm going to show you what we are going to be doing next. Here are the results that it has generated for us, like you can see. So I'm just going to copy this and we are going to be using it in our next tool. So I'm just going to click on the copy option, or you can just highlight, then you copy it. Okay, so the next tool we are going to be using is ElevenLabs. And once you're done signing up, it's going to bring you to this interface. And all you have to do is to click on the text to speech option. Then it's going to bring you exactly where I am at right now. So all you have to do is to paste in the script that we generated with ChatGPT. And you're also going to go ahead and choose a specific voice that you want to use for your course. So you're going to choose on the voice option over here, and you're going to see that there is a variety of different voices that you can listen to, and then you choose from. They also have different accents, like you can see American, all of those, like you can see. So once you're done selecting the one you want to use, you will just click on the generate speech option, and that way it's going to generate for you a voiceover that we are going to be using in Canva. So after that, all you have to do is to click on the download button, and then you're just going to go back to Canva, click on the upload option over here. Then you'll be able to upload your voiceover, like you can see over here. So once you're done, you're just going to go ahead and drag it, then you drop it over here. Okay, just like that. Okay, let me do this again. Going to drop it down there, just like that. And then you're going to listen to the voiceover while you watch the screen, what's showing on the screen. Make sure everything aligns with each other. If they're talking about a specific thing, make sure it's the one displaying on the screen. Okay, so once you're done, you can go ahead and check how everything has come out via the presenter view or autoplay. Now you're going to go ahead and click on the share button over here, just like this. You'll click on that download, and like you can see, they've suggested for you PDF print, which is best for documents and emailing, but you can also use this option of PDF print. Okay, so if you want it with an audio, you're going to download it as an MP4. Let's go ahead and I show you the different platforms where you can sell your online courses, and then also share with you how you can create a website in very few simple clicks. Some of the online platforms where you can sell your online courses include Teachable. There is also Skillshare and Udemy. Okay, there is so many out there, but I suggested these three for you in this video. Now let's go ahead and build a website for those of you who want to create your own website. Okay. To build our website, we are still going to leverage the power of AI. And here is a new prompt that we are going to input into ChatGPT. So it says, I want to create a website to sell my online courses. Can you suggest perfect website names and a brief prompt that I can use in Gamma.app to create a website? Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on this button to see what results that ChatGPT is going to come up with. Like you can see, guys, here are the different results that it has generated for us. It gave us course focused names, it gave us business and tech oriented names, creative and catchy names. So all you're going to do is to go through these different ideas and you choose which one you like best. So I think I'm going to take this one. Okay, the first one that says Learn with KCK. It makes sense right now. And like you can see, it also gave us a prompt to use in Gamma.app, and it also chose this particular one, Learn with KCK. So let's go with that. I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to head over to Gamma, and this is what we are going to be using. So you're going to click on your Gamma.app, and then it's going to bring you to this interface. So almost we're going to follow the same steps, but this time we are going to select a different option from the one we chose in the beginning. Okay, so I'm going to click on create new, and then it's going to bring us over here. Like I told you guys, you can either choose this option of generate, or you can choose the option of paste in text. So since the prompt is a bit detailed, I'm going to go with this option over here. So I'm just going to click on this, and then I'm going to import the prompt just like this. Okay, and then this time we are going to choose the option of web page. So this is the only different thing you have to do this time around. So I'm going to click on web page, and then we are going to proceed and click on the generate option. Okay, so let's click on continue. It's going to bring you to this page, and we already went through all of these, so let's save time and click on continue. Okay, it will bring you over here, and you'll go ahead to select a theme of your choice. Then after that, you're just going to click on the generate button, and then I'm going to show you the only differences that are going to happen this time when you're saving your website or when you're publishing it. Okay, so these are the results of the website that it has generated for us. Like you can see, I think everything looks great, guys. What do you guys think? You can let me know in the comment section down below. So if you want to edit anything, you're going to use the same skills that we used in the beginning to edit your website, and once you're ready to publish it, you can click over here. Okay, like you can see, there is different options, but this is the most important one that I wanted to share with you guys. So if you want a custom domain, for example, learnwithkck.com, you might choose this option, but obviously you'll have to upgrade to the pro plan. But if you're not yet ready, you can just publish the site and you go with the domain name that ends with gamma.site. Okay, so once you're done with everything, you're just going to go ahead and click on publish, and guys, that's it. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for watching. And if you found value in this video, I kindly request you to support the channel by liking this video, subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below, and I'll be able to answer them as soon as I can. Thank you so much once again, and see you in my next one. Bye.